Welcome back to Movies Recapped. Today I am going to explain the American action thriller film, Mortal Kombat. At the start of movie, we are shown three types of worlds or kingdoms. 1. Our planet Earth. The world of hell and a world where powerful people live. Everything is in contrast there. These three kingdoms used to fight a lot because each one wanted to win to rule. Due to their fight, it is decided that there will be a war between them. And this movie is named on that war, Mortal Kombat. The one who wins will rule over the other kingdoms, and will merge all kingdoms into his one. This war will have total 9 rounds. The kingdom whose people were powerful was named as Outworld. And its leader didn't want to start the Mortal Kombat war, because he considered himself very strong and used to kill people without any war. We are shown the past at the beginning of the movie, where we see a man. His name was Hangzhou, and he was the best warrior of the Kingdom Earth. He used to live with his wife, son and a little baby girl. They were living happily. One day when Hangzhou was not home, an Outworld warrior attacks on his home. That man starts killing all people of that area, and then comes to Hangzhou's wife and son. Hangzhou's wife has hidden the little girl in the basement of their home. But that man freezes Hangzhou's wife and son and kills them. When Hangzhou comes back to the death of all people, he starts to fight him. And during the fight that man kills Hangzhou. Then the soul of Hangzhou goes to the kingdom of hell, and then there come the leaders of earth, who take out the little girl from there, and take Hangzhou's knife with them. Now the story moves to present, where we see that the Outworld has already won 9 rounds, and was ready to rule over the world. But there was also a prediction that Hangzhou's blood will unite many young people, who will fight against that kingdom and will protect their kingdom Earth. Now the people who were chosen to fight back the kingdom, they had a mark on their body which was a dragon. A man among them is Cole, who used to live with his wife and daughter. And he keeps getting visions of Hangzhou and his knife. But he was unable to know that why this was happening. Then we see that the same Outworld warrior who comes to kill him. But a man comes there and saves him. He offers him ride and gives the address of his friend, and asks them to go there. And that man himself starts fighting the Outworld warrior. Outworld warrior freezes his hands and blasts them. Then we see Cole and his family has reached at that friend's home. That girl's name was Sonia, and she tells them that they both were in army, and we were given a task to find those people who had a mark which tells that they are warriors of earth. We are doing a search on them. She tells Cole that he has the same dragon mark on his body, which means that you will also fight Mortal Kombat. Nature chose you. Cole laughs that she is joking. Then Sonia says no. We also have to find other people for the war, who have this mark on their body, and you will help me and join me. Sonia introduces Cole to a man who is very angry. He had the same mark on his body. They were talking when there comes a reptile-looking creature. They fight it and the lights were going on and off. But in the end, the angry man kills that reptile-looking creature. Now nobody knows that the training of Kingdom Earth's warriors happened where. But the angry man knew. But he says that he has no interest in this and he is not going to tell anyone. Sonia offers him some money, and he agrees. And then they go there by a plane. This place was a temple in the desert, where the warriors were trained. And the leader of Kingdom Earth has made it. There they meet a temple guide, who was also a warrior of Kingdom Earth. There were paintings of old era, seeing which Cole starts seeing visions again. Then we see Sonia's friend as well. He lost his hands, but new mechanical hands were attached to his body. They seemed like robotic hands and were attached by none other than the leader of the earth who came there. He meets all the warriors there and tells them, we don't have much time left for war and your people aren't still ready with no power in you. Then leader of the Outworld comes there, who came here to kill them with his companions. Leader of the air makes a shield between them, due to which they stay unable to attack them. Then we see the brother of that temple guide who says that we own many powers. Can't we join them? Let's take the training. His brother agrees and now they were getting training with warriors. But Sonia wasn't getting trained as her body neither had that mark nor she had any superpower. During the training, everyone's superpowers were being revealed. Like Temple Guide can light up fire with his hands, and his brother has a unique hat which works like blade. And that angry person can emit laser light from his eyes, but no superpower was revealed for Cole yet. Leader of Kingdom Earth asks him, "Do you know who you are?" "You are from the great leader Hangzou's tribe. I saved her daughter A Circumflex Euro's life years ago and then you were also born afterwards in the same tribe." But Cole replies that I don't A Circumflex Euro T want to be the part of this battle, I want to stay with my wife and daughter. Then the leader sends him back to his home and he becomes very happy to get back to home. But on the other hand, the leader from the Outworld is preparing his warriors for the battle. He then takes them to attack on the Kingdom Earth. One of the members of Outworld offers Angry Man plenty of money and power if he joins them. Angry Man was a greedy man by nature, so he accepts the offer and joins their gang. And removes the shield with help of his laser that was originally established by the leader Earth Kingdom. By destroying the shield, Outworld's people gained access to the Earth and start extreme fighting. Everyone was attacking each other. And when brother of Temple Guide is about to kill the leader of Outworld, then suddenly a female warrior from Outworld comes and attacks him, but he cut her in 2 pieces by his blade hat. Angry Man was also attacking the Kingdom Earth's people. Friend of Sonia was also not in full powers and his hands were out of function. On the other side, while Cole was with his family, they see a giant creature which suddenly attacks them. When Cole sees that he is going to attack his family, then he gets super angry. All of a sudden, his superpowers start revealing and his body starts to get covered with a shield. And 2 swords appear in his hands from which he then kills that creature. Cole now has an idea that Temple is also under attack and if this world is going to be destroyed, then his family could never be safe too. Thinking the same, he goes back to the temple, where another female warrior from Outworld is trying to kill Sonia. Then she comes to know that Sonia isn't warrior and leaves her. But then the angry man comes there to attack her. He makes her numb. Then we see that the hands of Sonia's friend are still not working. He tries a lot and becomes angry. Then out of sudden, his mechanical hands get very advanced. And he gets power. He lifts the stones around and saves Sonia's life. When Outworld leader comes to know that Cole is from Hangzou's tribe, he tries to kill him and attacks him. But at the very moment, leader of Kingdom Earth makes a shield where they can live safely. He starts to teleport all the warriors to there. But then the special warrior of Outworld leader attacks on Cole. Brother of Temple Guide comes there to save Cole by his hat. But Outworld's leader catches him and takes out his soul. Unluckily, no one could save him. And they all get transferred to that shield area where they are safe. There, leader of Kingdom Earth gives Cole a knife. This was the knife of Hangzou. He tells him that if you use this in the war, Hangzou's soul will help you. Cole says that we will fight the warriors individually. And in the end, we will fight their special warriors. So that none of them could attack us. And then they do the same. Sonia's friend and Temple Guide kills their 2 warriors there. Now Sonia goes to Kingdom Earth to kill that angry man because he betrayed them. His body had the dragon mark. The mark of the Kingdom Earth, but he betrayed. Sonia managed to kill him at last. And now his mark has shifted to Sonia's body. Now she has become a warrior. She comes back to war and her superpower reveals there that her hands emit a type of energy which can kill anyone. She kills female warrior of Outworld as soon as she comes there. Outworld leader becomes angry when he becomes aware of this. He orders his special warrior to go and freeze Cole's family, so that they cannot win. Cole reaches there when he becomes aware of this and starts fighting to protect his family. But soon the special warrior takes him over with his freezing power and freezes his hands. Cole takes out his knife. But that warrior injures his hand and his hand starts to bleed. With the help of this blood, King Hangzou gets free from Kingdom Hell, but he has become a scorpion now. He still loves his family. Now Cole and Hangzou are fighting together with that special warrior. Hangzou has come from hell, so he starts using his special powers. He blows fire on that warrior from Outworld and burns him to death. Cole successfully evacuates his family. Hangzou tells him to take care of himself and his family. And then he goes from there. In the meantime, leader of Kingdom Earth and other warriors reach to Kol. The Outworld leader also came there and becomes furious. He collects the ashes of his all warriors and says that this time you defeated me with your presence of mind, but he will come back with his army one day. Leader of Kingdom Earth replies that you are defeated badly, now go away. Then he abducts him by emitting his laser beam on the Outworld leader. Then the Earth's leader tells his warriors that we won today. But there may be a war again. And we will need more good warriors for that. In the end, we see that Kol goes to find another man who is also a warrior and the movie ends. Subscribe for watch more video, turn on notification, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching and your time.